JCB HP grease, or JCB blue grease as it's often known, has a fantastic reputation as a universal multi-purpose grease suited for all types of agricultural and construction machinery, not just JCB equipment. And now JCB offer the HP blue grease in a 500 gram screwed thread cartridge. The 500 gram screwed thread cartridge is so much quicker, easier and more efficient to use than the 400 gram cartridge. The traditional 400 gram cartridge can be a struggle to load. It can also be messy to open, and ring pulls can break, causing further problems. It can also sometimes be difficult to tell exactly how much grease is left, potentially losing time getting a refill. And removing the 400 gram cartridge can be a really messy business, often making the grease gun unusable afterwards. The 500 gram screwed thread cartridge, on the other hand, is so much quicker and easier to use. All you do is unscrew the cap, screw in the cartridge, prime the gun and start greasing. In terms of efficiency, the double-handed grease gun is more robust and will last longer. It comes with anti-slip handles, and you can also see how much grease is left in the cartridge. You also get 25% more grease for every cartridge change. The 500 gram cartridges are sold in boxes of 12 rather than 24, providing a more attractive retail pack price. The 500 gram screwed thread cartridge is the future. It's easier, cleaner, quicker and more efficient to use. All you need is the new 500 gram grease gun and a pack of 500 gram grease cartridges, and away you go. The grease and application solution for all your needs.